How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's another beautiful fall day here in Newfoundland. So I decided to come out and check my trail cameras that I set out here a couple weeks ago. So I figured I would bring the camera along, make a little video. So after we check the cameras, I'm gonna find a nice little beach somewhere and get a fire going, cook up some food on the fire. And I'm also gonna be announcing the winner of the latest subscriber giveaway. So if you entered that giveaway, you're gonna want to stick around and see if you're a lucky winner or not. So yeah, should be a good day. Do a bit of exploring, cook up some food. Stay tuned. Alright, off we go. So for anyone who's wondering why I don't just pull my boat up in the beach and tie it off on the shore. So we're in the salt water here, so we're in the ocean, and there's quite a bit of fluctuation in the tides, especially this time of year and this time of month. The tide gets really high and then really low when it's at its lowest point. So right now the tide is pretty much as high as it's going to get. I can barely get around the shore here to get to the trail. And as we're hiking in the woods now over the next couple hours, the tide is going to significantly drop. So when I come back to the boat, if I were to just have it pulled up on the shore and tied off, the boat would be completely high and dry. There would be no water. It wouldn't be floating at all. And I would basically be stranded. The boat wouldn't be floating, and the boat is too heavy for me to pull back out to the water by myself. So that's why I got this little mooring made up, so I can throw the anchor over, and then I just pull the boat out towards the anchor with the rope. There's a little pulley on it, and then the boat will stay floating no matter how low the tide gets. So when I get back, I can just pull the boat back in, get in and go. What is it, Goose? Goose got a squirrel drove up in this tree. What is it? Squirrel. Hey, come on, let's go. Come on, Millie. Okay, so I just got to the first camera, and there's a little screen here. You can usually see what pictures are on it, but it looks like the batteries died, which is strange because I put brand new batteries in it before I set it out. It's only been out for about 2 weeks, so strange for the batteries to be dead already. Now this camera did get chewed up by a bear last year. You see the teeth marks in the screen right here. So maybe this camera's not functioning properly. But yeah, it kind of sucks. So there's still a chance we got some pictures on here. We'll have to put some fresh batteries in. Actually, I'm going to pull the camera and I'm gonna take the camera back with me because it doesn't seem to be working, and I'll pop the memory card in my computer and see if we got any pictures when we get back. So got my little Stevens 20 gauge shotgun here, over under. So I figure we might stumble across a grouse while we're trekking around in the woods here today. So still haven't shot a grouse yet this year. Season's been open for a few weeks now. So I was out yesterday for a few hours with the dogs, and we saw 2, but unfortunately didn't get a shot at either one of them before they flew off. So yeah, maybe our luck will change here today. Soon be out to the next bog now where the second camera is. Billy, how you doing, bud? How you doing? Oh my, what a state. What a state. Well, almost up to the second camera now. But what a beautiful day. We've been having some unreal weather here in central Newfoundland. So I think this is a full week now, so a full 7 days where it's just been sunny, like between 15 to 20 degrees, and light winds. Just beautiful weather to be out in the woods. All right, so here's the second camera of 2. So you can't tell on this one how many pictures we have until I put the memory card in the computer. So I'm just gonna grab this camera now, throw it in my backpack, and we'll hike back to the boat and look for a spot to have lunch. Boy. Alright guys, so got the trail cameras all collected. Got a couple hours of hiking in, so we're just stopped on this little beach now. Gonna cook up some food. So on the menu here today we got some blueberry maple sausages. I don't know if that's coming through on the camera or not, I can't tell. Yeah, picked these up at Central Meats in Grand Falls, Windsor. Great little local butcher shop, so feel free to check them out. And also brought some smoked codfish. So just gonna heat this up now on my little foldable grill, and we're gonna have a feed. Got the kettle on. Beautiful day, a little bit of a breeze blowing here, but it's actually quite nice. Loving this beautiful fall weather we've been having lately. think it's pretty much done. So, well, I know the fish is done. This needs to be warmed up. So, let's try some of this fish. Oh, oh man. Let's look at that. Oh man, that's good. So, a smoked codfish that I think somebody gave it to my wife at work. Oh man, they did a great job on it. So, it tastes like they put some kind of a sweet glaze over the fish after, while they were smoking it, or after it was done or whatever. It's a really sweet taste on it. It's almost like maple syrup or honey or something. Plus that smoky flavor on the fish. Oh man, deadly. Millie, no. No. So Millie is interested in the fish. No. I'll give you a piece now in a minute. You gotta wait. Millie, don't touch it. You gotta wait for it to cool off. Gotta love labs and their appetites. Her stomach is like a bottomless pit. Yeah, these sausages are looking pretty well done too. Millie, leave it. Come here. Here. Come here. Millie, sit. Sit. Good girl. Take it nice. Good girl. Oh, here comes Goose. Another piece, Goose. Come on, bud. Here. Here. Oh, Goose is not a big fish lover, but well, he took it. He's probably just going to bring it over there now and kind of play with it for a bit before he decides if he's going to eat it or not. Forgot to bring a plate again. Millie, I already gave you a piece. No. Alright, maple blueberry sausages. First time trying these. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Well, I'm gonna eat the rest of these sausages, sip on my coffee. I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me sitting here eating, so in the meantime, I'm gonna try and put the drone up. It's a little bit windy, but try to get some drone footage, so I'll show you guys that. And after that, we'll come back and I'll announce the winner of the subscriber giveaway. Stay tuned. guys, so just a short little video this time. So just about to pack up and get ready to head back. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't seen my last video, it's a 2-night camping trip / small game hunting trip with the 2 dogs. I'll put a link up on the screen here so you can check that one out. So the winner of the 2,000 subscriber giveaway that I did here the last couple of weeks, the winner of that is Pace Diver. Pace Diver, you are the winner. So get in contact with me if you watch this video. I'll also post that up on my social media, so hopefully you will see that you won the prize and get in contact with me to claim it. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm gonna pack up, like I said, head back, and that'll do it for this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Thanks for the support, and we'll see you on the next adventure.